Welcome back. Now we will see how we can apply these aggregate functions on non-numeric values such as text values, and also we will see how we can apply these to date values. On text values, you can use the min function to find the lowest or the first value in the when you arrange the text by ascending order. What's the first value can be taken by min, and what's the last value can be captured by max. Also, we can count how many instances of the records are there, how many records are there actually, how many records are there, how many instances are there. You can check. Let me start a new query, and I will use accounts payable database. And first I will give a query, select min. For this we will use a vendors table. From this vendors table I will choose vendor name, and select vendor name. I can call it as first vendor. Since it has two words with the spaces, I will use the square bracket, and then max function, max vendor name as last vendor, plus we can use count function also, so we can count how many vendor names are there, or we can even count the vendor ID. Both will work. So vendor ID as number of vendors, this is going to come from from vendors table, vendors. Let me run this. Here you can see the first vendor is Abbey Office Furnishings, and last vendor is Zilka Design, and number of vendors available in the table is 123 vendors we have. So you can check this out by select all from. Okay, we can have vendor name from vendors, order by vendor name. Okay, I'm running this query. So first one is here, and the last one is Zilka Design, and we have 123 rows available in the table. So let me run this again. Abbey Office Furnishings and Zilka Design, and number of vendors is 123 we have. So we can use these maximum, minimum and count functions with non-numeric values. In addition to these, we can use maximum, minimum with the date values as well. So we will see this select min invoice date as first date, and max invoice date as last date from invoices. You can even apply the how many invoice dates are there by using count function. So it is it's not practicable to count how many invoice dates are there. We can use invoice ID column to count how many invoices there. So we will restrict with the minimum and maximum functions. So this is the first invoice date, and this is the last invoice date. First invoice date is 12/8 2015, and last invoice date is 4th February 2016. So we can use min, max and count function with non-numeric values, and we can use the same functions with date values as well. So please practice this and see how it works. Thank you so much for listening. We will meet in another video.